Hi viewers, welcome to Excel Tutorial Hub. In this video, we will learn how to calculate discount percentage in Excel. Let's walk through the function with the help of this table. So here we have a table of few items, item price, discounted price. Let's find the discount percentage. To find out the discount percentage, first of all, we need to change the cell format to percentage. So highlight the cells and change the format cells to percentage. Click on format cells. Click on percentage, click OK. Now let's type the discount percentage formula. So for that we need to type here is equal to 1 minus parenthesis discounted price divided by item price, close parenthesis, press enter. Now let's find the discount percentage of second product by applying the discount percentage formula. So for that we need to type here is equal to 1 minus parenthesis discounted price divided by item price and close parenthesis and press enter. Now drag it down. So that's how we can calculate discount percentage in Excel. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos.